Hello everyone. If your system is going slow or something getting low output and you are trying to upgrade your system, but you need to upgrade physically. So, this is video for how you can make your system more faster and how you can just utilize your all CPU cores through your system settings. So this video is for you. Let's wait and see how I'm just doing it and how you can just do it as well and upgrade your system and fast your system within very short features and settings. So you can see here, this is the task manager and you need to just open it through shortcut command. Just click to search button and type run and just type task mgr. Once you click and like this, you will be come to this page. It will be selected anyone. Just go to CPU and inside CPU you will find some more options over here. So you can see here the cores are 4 and logical processors are 8. So this is the way to we can identify or you can identify your system cores and processors. Cores means these are the physical CPU provided by the manufacturer in your laptop, and these are the logical processors means these four cores has been just logically divided into 8 cores through the hyper threading method in i5 systems. So this is the thing that you can just make it possible. So let's go and just watch the next setting. So for doing this, okay, so I have already opened the setting. You are just try to just do it. Type again, start button, go to run, and type msconfig. Once you type msconfig, hit OK, and you will come to this page. And this is the default page, general section. You need to go to the boot, and inside the boot, click to the advanced options. And inside the advanced options, there are the number of processors you can see here. So boot your advanced option means this is the features that boot up your system more faster, and you will able to utilize your system performance more better than right now. So we only need to just go here and choose 4 because we have a 4 uh, physical processors. So just click to 4 and click OK and apply and click OK. Now it is asking to restart your system. Once you restart your system, you will see and you will observe your system will be more feel like it is working more faster than right now. So this is the thing that I just wanted to share with you, and just let me just provide any suggestion, and you can also ping me if your system is getting more faster. So I will provide more and more output and more videos to you to upgrade your system without upgrading at hardware level. So thank you so much. Just take a restart and see your system performance. Thank you so much.